Good morning, my name's Jane McHerron and I work for Leggett Immobilier. I'm proud to present to you today this beautiful stone house which is situated in Gwenrock, just south of Dinan. It's ideally placed for central living in Brittany. Only 20 minutes from the heart of the city of Dinan, 40 minutes to Saint-Malo, 40 minutes to Rennes. So you could say it's in the centre of the triangle. Easy access to all these amazing places. Around the property, we're in a small hamlet, which is a very, very friendly village. You have American neighbours, British neighbours and French neighbours, and the Marie is keen to get to know you all. This property is set on a plot of 1,000 metres squared. It houses a garage, a wood store and a general store for your bikes, etc. The added bonus is that the garden is quite low maintenance. The shrubs are very, very established and all it would need is the mowing of the grass to get the full benefit from the beautiful garden. There are two entrances to the property, one at the front and one at the rear. On entering through the rear door, you enter the kitchen, which is a beautifully well-equipped, bright and airy room with good size for a table for family eating. You then go through into the lounge. The lounge is open plan with a beautiful dining area, a small office by the stairs and the large lounge, once again illuminated by large double glazed windows. Just off that area is another room, currently being used as a games and TV room, but you could use it for anything. It could be a kids' playroom or anything that you choose, but the option is there. Leading off from the lounge is a staircase, and up those stairs you find the 4 bedrooms plus a bathroom. The bedrooms are all a good size with lovely high ceilings and lots of light flooding into them. The rooms are all a good size and they're currently being used as bedrooms, but it would be perfectly possible to use one as an office or a playroom, as you wish. On the top floor, you will find this beautiful room. The possibilities in this room are absolutely endless. At the moment, it's been used as a gym and an office, but you could use it as an artist studio. The light is very good. You could use it as a large office. You could have it as a playroom, or perhaps even you're a musician and you could have the music playing at the top of the stairs, sealed off from the rest of the family. It's an amazing room with endless possibilities. Thank you so much for spending the time and watching this video. I'm sure you will agree it's a beautiful property. If you would like more information, please click on the link below where there are more photos and more information. Thank you so much. Goodbye.